Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mailchimp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you download or export your contacts from Mailchimp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to export your contacts from Mailchimp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider. So you want to be sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mailchimp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Mailchimp and this is the home screen. But here on the home screen, if you want to export or download your contact list, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu and you want to click here on account. And once you do that, you're going to see this menu across the top and you want to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to see another menu and you want to click here on manage my data. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see export data. They do let you know that once you request your data, it's going to be sent to your email address in a zip file. They do also let you know that you can export your data once every 24 hours. So in order to download your contacts, you're going to scroll down and then click on audience. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the time frame. So last 30 days is by default, or you can go ahead and just click all data. And next you want to go ahead and click on export data. They also let you know it can take up to 24 hours if you have a huge list. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to download or export your contacts from Mailchimp, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.